Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video we'll know what is the where clause in SQL, because where clause is very important for know, because every time you write a SQL query you have to use where clause. Okay, so what is the where clause and when to use where clause? Because where clause, when you're going to filter out specific row, that time you have to use where clause. Okay, so think of written over here. Think of where clause as a filter. Instead of fetching all rows from a table, it allows you to fetch only the records that meet a certain condition. Okay, means that when you give a condition and match a condition, that time they give you that specific row only. Okay, this is the syntax of where clause. Select column names and from table name and where the condition. They have to give condition here. Okay, so let's see over here. So I will take a table, select from employees table, and there is a columns employee ID, name, department, salary, city, and these are the value. Okay, so we use where clause here to filter out the data. So here we'll we write some condition, like condition on find employees from IT department. Okay, means where is the department IT will fetch the that amount of data. So this is the query for this. Select star from employees where department equal to IT. You have to give condition like this: department equal to IT. So you'll see that where only the dataset values where the IT department is IT. Okay, and the second condition is find employees with a salary greater than $60,000. So where the we find value, we need the value where salary has above 60,000. This is the query for this. You have to use greater than, salary greater than 60,000, and this is the value. Okay. And condition 3, find employees from New York or Los Angeles. We need a values that only has the value city is New York and Los Angeles. So you will say you can use in operator to filter out this value, like where city in New York and Los Angeles. You can also do this way. There is many ways you can use filter out your data using where clause. Okay, this find employees in the IT department with a salary over 75,000. There is a condition in the previous one. We see that only has the IT department and salary greater than 6,000. We here use the two condition at once. Okay, where IT department is IT and salary also 75 above 75,000. So here is your filter out value. And also you can use between, in between. Okay, between also use salary between. You have to give a range like 50,000 to 1 lakhs. Okay, here is I give this. So let me see, I'll see you in the workbench also how practically. So this is my data set. First we have to use the data set. First you have to use the database, and then this is my data. Same data we input it in the MySQL workbench, and we'll see where from one by one the condition. First condition is the department is IT. You'll see where the same thing is we saw in the PPT. In the same thing will same result came over here. Okay, and the next is greater than 60,000. You also see over 60,000, and for city in New York, and also the same things. You can use where clause this way. It's very simple. And in the between, and next see where the between part. Select star from employee from table and where salary between this range. We'll see this work or not. This also work. the we'll get the salary where the range between 50,000 to 1 lakh. So we'll change the range. Okay, 52 will do 90,000. So let's see what is the value we filter out. There is a one person whose salary is above 90,000 and below 1 lakhs. Okay, this way you can use where clause, because where clause is very important to know if you're working in with SQL. Every time when you write a query, you have to filter your data. Okay, so that's why you have to use where clause. So if you, this is the main 4 or 3 parts condition that you will follow most, you will use most. So we will discuss in the we discuss, that's why in the 4 or 5 condition. Okay, if you like this particular video, and give the thumbs up, and if you have any doubts, please let me in the comment section. Thank you.